am from Yemen.
Yemen?
Yemen.
Cool, man. What's up? يلا بينا.
يلا بينا، هي دي الوحيدة اللي فهمتها منك.
So I'm walking back up and Buswara. Zig.
Hi.
Hey, YouTube. What's up?
Where are you from?
America.
Oh, I am from Yemen.
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 Cool, man. What's up? What's up, Yemen?
تعال سولف مع انجليزي انا والله ما اعرف.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة. باي.
Alright, so walking back up here to check out some of the sweets I saw. It looked really interesting
Do you have a
and
channel
delicious.
on YouTube?
Sah?
Huh? What's your name?
You want another subscriber? You got your phone?
خليني بصورش معنا يلا. شو اسمها؟ How are you?
Okay, we're getting a photo.
What's your name?
Oh, you're making video?
Oh, video.
My name's Gisselle.
You are from America.
Iowa.
I'm from Yemen.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
A pleasure. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye. Can I get through here? I think maybe not. Okay, we're back to the sweets. Let's check this out. Alright, I'm gonna step out of the way here.
نبص من القناة. بقول لك ممكن نصور معاك فيديو عن رمضان؟
Alright. Look at this sweets. Look at that. Ada. Salabia. I haven't had salabia yet. Oh, it's too much though. Yeah, too much. Otherwise I would try it. Looks good though, maybe another day. Shukran. What's this? We got more.
That's cool. It's tasty. It's a popular food here.
Yeah. I can't believe I haven't had it yet.
Wow, it's so sweet and it's too tasty and different kind.
But guys, I'm still hanging out with the YouTuber I met, Anas.
Yeah, guys. It's so crowded here.
Okay, yalla. Let's go back this way.
Without unicorn.
Eh?
Where is the screen to?
Oh, it's here. it's a wide angle, so I capture a lot, you know? Yeah.
I have to go. No.
in El Muaz Street, which actually happened the first time that I tried to find Khana Khalili. I came down this street. So I'm making my way back to Khana Khalili, and maybe you'll see a clip of that in the video, or maybe I'll just make an entirely new video. I mean, I just took version of something, I would. I shouldn't say this on film, but
That's okay.
cut, edit. No, I don't really, like, I'm talking to my videos, I'm saying hi to people, but...
That's recorded, I see.
I've been recording.
You have a storage?
Yeah, I have a pretty good memory. And lots of Oh yeah, if I did it on my phone, I would have it on my way.
بأي شكل في عدنان to try fitar in Wadi Degla protectorate.
Fitar where?
In Wadi Degla, you know Wadi Degla.
Wadi Degla. Oh, I've heard of it. I've heard of it. Yeah. That's pretty far. Shukran.
Oh, I love you too.
Oh boy, these guys are too much sometimes.
Egyptian people are really so
very friendly.
So kindness, but not all people.
No, some of them say some messed up things.
I don't like just people here, like in the pyramids, just ride the camel.
Yeah. They just want that. You know. Ooh, what's this?
I don't know. welcome.
I wish I could see what's going on in there. I can't make it out. Alright, I'm gonna keep moving, guys. Do you wanna keep filming or do you wanna?
What? Yeah, no.
يلا بينا.
يلا بينا هي دي الوحيدة اللي فهمتها منك.
She said I know one word.
Just, yeah, no one.
I can understand sometimes, and I mean I try, but I just don't get very far with my Arabic. You know, they're like, oh, I'm like, yeah, I'm like, oh.
When you speak a little Arabic and after that, yalla bina. Oh. When you speak English and after that you continue, yalla bina. He's surprised. Wow. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. Super friendly, man. Very like, welcome to Egypt. Shukran, you know. Just 2 weeks. Yeah.
I made like overwhelming the work and I feel like in the bad mood. I leave everything and I go to Dahab.
Ah.
That's all.
Sounds like a lot of yeah, people say they go for 1 or 2 weeks and they stay for 3 or 4 months.
مستحيل ادخل
I'm trying to not step on the dog. I know, right? Very crowded out here. I know. And it's just like 1,000.
الصابونة النابلسي.
1,000. Whoa, what did he say?
You know sabuna?
No. What did he say?
Like something to worship, like to wash your, like sabuna to wash
Soap.
your hand. Soap, yes. Soap.
What about soap?
He sells the soap. Come to go to from direction.
This way?
والله والمصحف
طب يا جماعه ده المكان الثاني اللي احنا بنتحرك عليه هيكون برج الخليلي.
You don't like all the chaos, huh? No. just film all the action, you know? That's how it is, right?
دلوقتي يا جماعه احنا بعد ما خلصنا الماس بنتحرك على اي مكان هنقول هو خليل الخليلي بعدها اي حاجه. فاحنا خلصنا الاجواء في الماس. تعالوا بقى نشوف الاجواء شكلها عامل ازاي في خالد الخليلي. يلا بينا على خالد الخليلي. يلا بينا.
شربت الشاي خالص.
يلا بينا. Yeah, I went down to the quieter streets before going back to the main street, and it was a dead end.